Welcome aboard, Mayamo 1!
1.
To get you acquainted with your short to indefinite stay here, I'm conducting a documentary video series about the train. Even the simplest car comes with earth-shattering revelations, because each car on this train is like a pocket universe where anything can happen. That's a very specifically shaped hole I don't remember, but it's probably definitely nothing to worry about.
That's what they want you to think.
And here we are in a movie theatre car. I wonder what could be playing here.
Entertainment is used to subdue the masses.
I will be travelling through the minecart car for as long as it takes to bring you the most breathtaking sights it has to offer. We're getting the good stuff. Our viewers demand it. You can learn a lot about yourself just by being one with nature. Oh, I saw a bird in the distance. I want to look closer.
You guys okay?
Oh, I don't like this.
Why aren't the denizens of the train respecting my work?
This train provides challenges, but they won't be hard for you passengers if you're properly...
Party crashers. Oh, I know what they want. Hold this.
I can't see who caught it.
They'll be on the honor system.
But the good thing about being train boss is revisiting your favorite places with fresh eyes.
I need my normal eyes! Here you go, citizen.
Do you see what I see? No? Well, Oh, how did I miss it? Time to meet some locals.
These three look like they're up to no good.
But they also seem familiar. Are you my mum?
Well, what? What? Am I what?
Now I remember. I was trapped here for 33 years. Now, where's that door? Is it here? Not much to see here. Oh my! Look! That cloud kind of looks like a pretzel. There you have it. Exciting things can be anywhere as long as you look for them in the right places. Until next episode, doodles!